Hey, good morning, folks. What we're going to be performing this morning is a running compression test. Basically right now, before we start going into the other methods of the compression test, we're just going to see where it's sitting at as far as your idle. But one importantly thing you want to do, you want to make sure that you bleed your gauge. You see how it jumps back up. See how he snapped it. It should go up to about 80% above your threshold. Should hold it. Shows that it's a good test. Hey, good morning, folks. What we're going to be performing right now is a cranking compression test. Basically all we're going to do, we're going to crank it over about 5 times. You can see that we got our gauge set up on cylinder 2. Unlike the running compression test that we took earlier, we have to actually manually crank it ourselves. So basically all we did, we've got a jumper wire hooked up to the S terminal here on our starter. So what we do, what's important is we want to record the first and last readings after the 5 pulses after we start cranking it. So here it goes. And we're sitting around about 150, 160. And you see, right when we started, we were at 0, so it's at 150. So that's a pretty good test, and it's holding steady. But we do want to make sure before we get ready to put everything back together that you do want to bleed your valve. That's it. Thank you.